Alright, good morning everybody. This is Steve and Veronica. We're here to show you our new Black & Decker edger. I was edging the sidewalks with a regular weed eater and it just wasn't getting in it, especially after winter. The edges were just too thick, so I went ahead and got this traditional edger to see how well it works compared to the weed eater. So I'm going to unbox it right now. We just got it. We went to our Menards store. Got this, at the time of the filming it was about $94 at Menards, and you get, right now they have 11% off everything at Menards right now. Box it here, put it together. Fairly straightforward. I do recommend looking at the instruction book. Usually instruction books have like a quick start in them. So we'll see how hard it is to assemble this thing. Of course, you got to find it. For me, I got to find the English part. And it doesn't appear that they have like a quick start page. Maybe I was wrong. Oh, yeah, they do. Right here. So you gotta unscrew the screws here first. Screw out. Push in the rod until you get it to where you need it. Got a little bit of tape on there we probably don't need, but we'll work on that later. You would think that would just push in. Okay, now we got the cord back in to the thing. I figured out how to do the cord. Just had to use a little bit more elbow grease getting the cord to go back in there. And get this hole lined up. Get my holes lined up there. There we go. Push in through the other side. You take your little nut, get it started, and screw that on there. There we go. These things are a little curved, so they help line up. Okay, now we got the, this is designed for trenching and edging. So if you go forward, it'll be more for trenching, and we're going to be doing edging, so we're going to leave it in the back position here. Up here in the front, you got your depth adjustment. You unscrew this screw back here, and you just push down. Let's get it to where you want it to go. Lock in your a screw. So now you got your depth set. We should be ready to go. Now I do have to get my extension cord set up because this is a wired edger. It's not a battery edger, so it's not wireless. So you got to plug in the extension cord to it to work around your yard. So we're going to go out to the sidewalk and see if we can get this thing going. Okay, now we're outside here at the sidewalk. I got my extension cord ready. Now in order to set these up, you can take your extension cord like this, run it through the handle. It has a little lock there. That way you're not dragging the cord around. Now I'm all plugged in, should be ready to go. Let's give this thing a whirl. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and try to blow off this edge here, see how well it gets cut. Looks like it did a pretty good job. I got to play with it a little bit more to get used to it, but overall I think it's going to turn out to be just fine. Looks like it leaves a nice edge. So there you have it, folks, the Black & Decker edger. Now one thing that I did notice is that if you're too close to the sidewalk, it'll start, sparking and all that. So you want to make sure that you got your blade a little bit away from the sidewalk. I mean, you got to know where the sidewalk's at, but you don't want to just sit there grinding on the sidewalk. So I'm going to go ahead and start her up here. Try to stay away from that. Okay, so basically, I think this Black & Decker edger is going to work out just fine for us. I'm glad we got it. It was a lot harder to use a weed eater to do all the cutting on the sidewalks here. We got a lot of sidewalk with our particular lot here. So anyhow, thanks for joining us, and we hope that you got something out of this. Have a great day. And remember, if you like this, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button if you would, please. We appreciate it. Thank you so much. Steve and Veronica. Now, one thing we wanted to make sure that we let you know again about this Black & Decker corded edger, that it was the model LE750. And again, it's a corded Black & Decker edger, the LE750. Now we should be able to have a link below our video if you wanted to pick up this type of edger off of Amazon. We personally got this one from Menards, but if you want to go to the Amazon site to get it, you can do that as well. And if you do go to the Amazon site and use our link, then we get a little bit of a commission possibly. So thank you again for watching the video, and have a great day.